Removing white space around a saved image. I need to take an image and save it after some process. The figure looks fine when I display it, but after saving the figure, I got some white space around the saved image. I have tried the tight option for savefig method, did not work either. The code. I am trying to draw a basic graph by using networks on a figure and save it. I realized that without a graph it works, but when edit a graph I get white space around the saved image.
You can remove the white space padding by setting box_inches equals tight in savefig. You'll have to put the argument to box_inches as a string. Perhaps this is why it didn't work earlier for you. Possible duplicates. Matplotlib plots. Removing axis, legends and white spaces. How to set the margins for a matplotlib figure. Reduce left and right margins in matplotlib plot.
I cannot claim I know exactly why or how my solution works, but this is what I had to do when I wanted to plot the outline of a couple of aerofoil sections, without white margins, to a PDF file. Note that I used matplotlib inside an Ipython notebook, with the pylab flag. I have tried to deactivate different parts of this, but this always leads to a white margin somewhere. You may even have modified this to keep fat lines near the limits of the figure from being shaved by the lack of margins.
I found something from Arvin Pereira, this URL, and seemed to work for me.
After trying the above answers, with no success, and a slew of other stack posts, what finally worked for me was just. Importantly, this does not include the box or padding arguments.